LVMPD is making it easier to openly talk about mental health and wellness. It recently opened its Wellness Bureau, and it's had more than 400 appointments every month since.
And Fox 5's Victoria Saha went to check out the Bureau and asked the chief about why this is so important for officers. Here's a little bit of that conversation.
This has been needed for years upon years, and we're just very thankful that Sheriff McMahill put this at the top of his priority.
Does it worry you thinking about how often your officers may have needed these services and went without?
Yes, that's great. You know, we look at our officers and what they see each and every day. The homicides, the suicides, the fatals, the traffic fatalities that they see they're things that people shouldn't see, shouldn't hear, shouldn't smell, and they have to see them every day. And then you put together a cumulative of a 30-year, 25-year career and what they see each and every day and what that does to the mind and the body and the soul.
That must have hit you hard knowing that your officers were waiting for this help.
Again, we didn't think it would take off so fast, but the need is there, and it showed us that this should have been started 20, 30 years ago. But we're just so glad it's off the ground and moving forward now.
Where do you think this conversation would have led us when Metro first became a department all those years ago?
I think there was no societal acknowledgement that there was a need there. You always think of these people as heroes and that they've signed up to do this job, right? That's their job. And they were kind of brushed underneath the rug for so many years. But it's now the walls and the stigma is being it's being broken down.
And the Wellness Bureau has 7 licensed clinicians and has services for Metro officers and their families, and they can even utilize services after they retire.